Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to translate any PDF document that you have using Google Chrome. So once you have Google Chrome open, guys, just simple go to Google and simple type in Google Translate, and you will be able to see the original website from the search results. So you want to head over to Google Translate official website, or you can easily find it from the options here if you're at Google. So you can click the apps here in the upper right, scroll down, and you'll find Translate. You can reach to that website or this page here from here. Now, to translate any document that you have, all you have to do is switch to the documents section here on the upper left. So you want to click documents, and here you want to go ahead and upload your document and choose the current language of the document. So if the document is in English, you want to go ahead and click the drop down here and just basically search for English, or you can even use detect language. It's up to you. So in that case, I can leave it as detected language, or I can just simply search for English in the list, and you want to go ahead and select English, right? So then you want to go ahead and choose the output language. So if you want it to be translated to, I don't know, let's say Chinese, for example, as it's here, or we can choose Spanish or French or whatever it is, right? Danish. Let's say I wanted to switch to Danish. I can switch that. And then once I drag my document, as I said, and add that document here, all you'll have to do is just simply do the translate. Now, I have a document which is currently in Czech. I'm going to choose that option here. So I'm going to switch here for the time being. And let me just switch here, and I will just find the Czech language. Let me just quickly find that. So Czech, and let's say I want to translate to English. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly click browse. You can drag or you can browse, and just simply choose a document. This document, I don't want to open it because it contains a lot of personal information. But what you want to do is just simply click and translate. So the document is in Czech and I want to translate it to English. Just simply click on translate, and it's going to translate the document for you, and you can open the document to view it, or you can download the document. So if I want to open it, it's going to open up in a new window, or I can just simply hit download, and it's going to download the translated version of the document for me. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You just need to open up the document on your PC, and you'll have it translated in English or whichever language that you want. That's it.